feet long with 102-inch seams. So that means all 12 of your buddies can go out in the water and have plenty of room inside to have a great day on the water. The second feature that I love about the Mastercraft CSX is that it's got a modified deep V hull. So that gives you a much smoother ride down the choppy lake or down the choppy coastal waters, but it doesn't affect the awesome wake behind this boat. And then the third feature is that this is the coolest center console on the water. It's got storage, freshwater washdown, you've got a cooler back here, fish finder, GPS, cruise,